The old, guys, in with the new, out with the old, out with the old. Hey guys, it's your girl Maui here. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, we are doing our edges today. We are trying out a new edge control. Unfortunately, yes, my edge booster finished, but my cousin on Instagram suggested a new edge control. She was using this in her story, and it just looked like it held her edges down so well. And my edge booster was finishing anyway, so I was like, why not try this new product? She recommended to me, I ordered it, and here it is. If you guys want to see my first impression and my first review of the She Is Bomb Collection Edge Control / Gel, keep on watching and we're gonna dive into this. Wait, I know you guys did not think I was gonna let y'all go into this video without telling y'all to subscribe. Come on, just go do it real quick. I'll wait, come on, go ahead. No, go ahead. You did? Alright, come on, let's get into this. You guys want to see a more in detail, in-depth video on how I get my edges to do this? Just click right up here. I will show you guys how I get my... The other day, my cousin, quite a funny story, my long-lost cousin that I found through Instagram, I know that sounds ridiculous, but it's true, saw her using this edge control in one of her stories. It's the BOMB GOO. It's from I think She versus Bomb Collection, I believe. No, She Is Bomb Collection is what it's called. And it looked like it just slicked her hair so amazingly. And I swear, if you know me, I swear by my edge booster, but it just looked like it slicked her hair so great. So I was like, girl, what are you using? And she sent me the link, and I was like, let me buy it. I think it was like $10, $12 or something, very cheap. It was smaller than I expected it. I expected it to like come in this size, and it was like, this is the size difference, if you guys can tell. But it's still a good amount in here. It is 2.5 fluid ounces, and my edge booster holds 3.38 fluid ounces, so not too bad. And they're around the same price. I think edge booster might be a little bit expensive, a little bit pricier depending on where you get it from. But yeah, I am excited to use this. It looked like it slicked her hair down really great. I went on YouTube and I saw a couple 4C girls using it too, so I'm excited to see how it looks, how it lasts throughout the day, and how it just like finishes and how it compares to my holy grail right here. So if y'all ready, I'm ready. Let's get into this. So, we got our handy dandy toothbrush, edge brush, whatever you want to use, and I got my scarf over here to wrap it afterwards. This is how I'm gonna know if it works. I'm gonna try a little bit, and we're gonna try and lather that onto the hair. Let me zoom in here for you guys so you guys can get a good look. Alright, I have my mirror right here, so if I'm not looking at you guys, I'm sorry, okay? So what I like to do, especially with the new edge control, I like to just brush all the hairs down and try to really get it in on every hair, so when I want to start swooping, there's enough product. There's enough product on all the strands of hair so it can all slick properly. So I'm really just raking it through with this brush right now, just to get the product all throughout on this one side. And I know it looks like I'm being rough, but I am not, I promise. And even if I am, is my head. So far so good. It's not as pasty as I'm used to with the edge booster, but it's also not as like watery as like Got To Be, which I like. Oh, I have some orange. And one thing about me, I ain't afraid to use some product, so you guys can put that bad boy on there like I'm doing. Okay, so I think we're all lathered up. This is how it looks when, okay, it's really ugly right now, so don't judge me, but this is how it looks when I have it all throughout my hair. Now, this is optional, depends on how you guys like to do your edges, but I'm gonna grab my rat tail comb and I'm going to use this to help me part my hair.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. you do that?
So far so good, y'all. The product is white, so I'm wondering if it's going to leave a white cast. I hope not over time. But even not, usually, even with products that do have a white cast, you can just add water to it. So far, I'm really liking it just because it's not like too thick, like a wax or like the edge booster. Not that the edge booster is too thick, but it's not like, it's giving me like a gel kind of vibe, which I like. Because most gels cannot hold my edges. And it's really just like putting, anywhere I put the brush, it's putting those hairs in place, which I like. And keeping it down. I really like that. Let's see.
Got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do.
And don't worry about that. I have a bit of like foundation right here, so it's kind of mixing together, but mind your business. Now we're gonna do a little sideburns. So this is the first side compared to the side that we just gelled down. What y'all think? I'm a little skeptical, but we'll see. Yeah, it definitely sticks it down, which is good. Like with the edge booster, what I notice is like obviously if you apply water to curly hair, kinky hair, it's going to like shrivel up or wave up or whatever. And this product is doing that, but it's also holding the hair down at the same time, which I'm not really used to. Like most products, if it shrivels up my hair, that means it's not gonna hold it. And then like with the edge booster, it doesn't shrivel up my hair, it just like lays it down. So my edges no longer look curly, they look like straight, which I like, and it holds it down. But this is holding it down while also letting it wave up, which is kind of cute too. So we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. You can call me the edge queen, baby girl. Alright, so usually with my edge booster, I don't wrap my hair, but with every other gel or like edge kind of thing, I do wrap my hair. Better if I just use a scarf real quick. So I'm gonna tie my scarf and I'm gonna tie my handy dandy scarf and lay these down for a few minutes and see what the results are after I take the scarf off. So just grab a satin scarf, any satin scarf or any like wrap that you have. They're nice and secure. Don't want those edges going nowhere. All right. Okay. And now we wait. I know my braids are a little old, but I'm so feeling this blonde. Like I like it so much, and I'm gonna have to take these braids out eventually. I can still rock them right now because my aunt who did my hair did an amazing job. So the braids themselves look brand new still. It's just my roots are grown out and they look even crazier because I have naturally dark brown hair. I just don't know what style to do next because I don't know if I can go back to dark. Like I feel like this is who I am now. I don't know. I need help. What do you guys think? Like, should I try a different? And the thing is, I don't like doing the same style twice, but I'm just still not over it. So I don't know if I should like do this color again with a different style or just play it safe and go back to dark or our safe place where we're comfortable, you know? Let me know what you guys think because if you know me, I am terrible at making decisions. So I would appreciate your opinions. But I think this is good enough. It's been like 3 minutes, which is more than enough time to lay some edges if you ask me. Yeah, it's time for the reveal. All right. Let's see. So far, so good. All right. I like this. Ooh. Mama like that. Mama likes that. There is a tiny bit of like, so usually when I use my edge booster, I like wherever I I had product on my forehead, there would definitely be like a crazy white cast and it would like mix in with my makeup really bad. This one, you can barely notice it and it's not mixing in with my makeup crazy. Like that's like if I was to go like this with the edge booster, I would definitely feel where my makeup is, where the edge booster is starting to gunk or whatever. But this feels really nice. I like the way it feels, like it hasn't, like, it feels like it's not weighing my hair down, which I like. And my edges are still kind of wavy. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I have a paper towel here. I'm gonna just wet it with some water real quick, and wet this paper towel with some water just to clean up the edges and see how that looks. Don't worry guys, I purposely did not put on makeup on my forehead, like all the way on top where my edges are, for you guys.
At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party web, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop.
This is how it came out, guys. I'm not mad at it. I don't know if it's beating the edge booster, but I'm definitely not mad at it. My good sis, she is bomb, and had some points to make today, but this stuff actually looks pretty good if you ask me. What do you guys think? I think these edges are on fleek, if I do say so myself. I like it. It says extreme hold, zero flexibility, and sweat resistant. I will not be sweating today, but in the future I will let you guys know if it does hold up, because this combo is great if you're gonna be just for 4C edges. This combo is great if you're just gonna be day to day, but as soon as I go to the gym or get active, forget about it. Edge booster is the only edge control that I've ever used so far that holds me down no matter what. The only downside to it is that depending on how much product you use, you might get a white cast. But besides that, it holds me down. So this one is coming in as a strong second. Like, I would definitely, if everything else goes well during the day, I would definitely purchase again, even though it's the first time I got it. So I'm happy with my purchase. I just realized I'm wearing this orange shirt and my scarf is orange, so I kind of want to tie it together to make it kind of cute. What do you guys think? I think that's a vibe, no?
Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate.
Something to hold everything back. This is type cute. Ooh, I should have started the video like this. Alright guys, so this is how it looks with the scarf. It looks really pretty with the scarf. Alright guys, so that was my review on the She Is Bomb collection, BOMB GOO. I don't know if it's supposed to be gel or edge control, but either way, my sis did what she had to do. This is getting a solid so far, just because I haven't seen it throughout the day. This is getting a solid 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. Just because it's right now, it's only been like 10 minutes. But so far, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more edge control videos, if you guys want to see more hair tutorials, please let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button. And come on, you guys know the drill by now. Hit that subscribe button wherever it is. Join the family. I have a lot of content coming your way. Come on, we have a lot of fun on this channel, so you might as well just join from now so you can be the first to do it. Thank you guys so much for 700 subscribers. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. We are so close to 1K, guys, so please hit that subscribe button, share it to your friends, share it to your feed, share it to your Facebook, wherever, and I will see you guys next time.
Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do.